Why does it feel like common health issues are an uphill battle? Why does the quest for effective solutions often lead to a maze of confusing options? The answer lies in the realm of the subconscious, a territory explored by hypnotherapy. Vivek Mantri, a renowned hypnotherapist and wellness coach, has journeyed through this territory with countless individuals, unraveling the intricate patterns of the human mind and using them to address common and chronic health issues. Consider the case of one of Mantri's clients, a woman in her 30s grappling with chronic anxiety. Traditional treatments had offered her little relief. Under Mantri's guidance, she explored the recesses of her subconscious through hypnotherapy. Over time, she experienced a significant reduction in her anxiety levels, finding a sense of calm and control she had long considered unattainable. Another client, a man struggling with impotency, found renewed hope after engaging with Mantri's hypnotherapy sessions. By addressing deep-seated emotional blocks and fears, he was able to overcome his struggle, improving not only his personal life, but also his overall sense of well-being. Hypnotherapy, contrary to popular misconceptions, does not involve any form of mind control or unconscious state. It is, in fact, a heightened state of focus and suggestibility where the client is fully in control and aware. It works by accessing the subconscious mind, the part of our mind that operates below the level of conscious awareness, influencing our habits, behaviors, and physical health. Vivek Mantri utilizes this powerful tool to help his clients overcome a variety of issues, from chronic health problems like anxiety and depression to personal issues like infertility and impotency. But the benefits of hypnotherapy extend beyond these. It can also enhance self-esteem, improve focus and concentration, and promote overall emotional wellness. It's important to note that hypnotherapy is not a magical cure. It requires commitment and active participation from the client. But the results, as demonstrated by Mantri's clients, can be transformative. The effectiveness of hypnotherapy is not just anecdotal. It has been recognized by the World Health Organization and the Government of India as a valid form of therapy. So while it might be considered an alternative therapy, it's far from being an unproven one. In conclusion, hypnotherapy offers a unique approach to wellness, one that delves deep into the subconscious to find and address the root causes of various health issues. Under the skilled guidance of practitioners like Vivek Mantri, it can open the door to a healthier, happier life. So, if the struggle with common health issues feels like an uphill battle, remember, there are alternative paths to wellness, and one of them may just be through the power of the subconscious mind.